In this aid, we will voice our own and showcase his assessment on Doge future while talking about Dogecoin cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to especially think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Dogecoin presently gives head access to it. Before we dig profound into the Dogecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Doge succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? Let's rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Incredibly, Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, which is very huge. This is for the most part reflected in our 2022 expectations in an unpretentious way. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many basically times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Or so they thought. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022 1110 plus 1.11% $0 1234 2022 1111 plus 3.16% $0 1259 2022 1112 plus 5.29% $0 1285 2022 1113 plus 1.00% $0 1233 2022 1115 plus 7.39% $0 1311 2022 1116 plus 0.26% $0 1224 2022 1117 plus 0.15% $0 1222 2022 1118 2.85% $0 1186 2022 1119 plus 2.72% $0 1254 2022 1120 plus 3.83% 12 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2022 NA plus 2.23% $0 1248 2022 DEC 5.42% $0 1154 2023 Jan 4.76% $0 1162 2023 Feb plus 1.56% $0 1240 2023 Blemish plus 3.46% $0 1263 2023 Abra plus 5.26% $0 1285 2023 May plus 1.33% $0 1237 2023 John plus 8.53% $0 1325 2023 Joel plus 5.06% $0 1282 2023 Og plus 17.94% $0 1440 2023 Sep plus 13.77% $0 1389 2023 Oct in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking plus 15.20% 14 cents. Doge value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees Doge coming to 17 cents in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around 80 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Dogecoin coming to $1 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, outperform, especially surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How by and large high will Dogecoin go? Our estimating model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave methodology. Dogecoin is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Dogecoin is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it in a real sense faces a savage contest from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a veritable local area, and the group behind the task is problematic. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a tycoon as we at any point don't basically see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 10 cents. In the long haul, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and get more expensive in a significant manner? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no really remarkable offer. It has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed in ascending cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul. Most of undertakings will fall flat. A few new businesses are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some would sort of not handle the opposition, but rather most are simply thoughts that by and large look great on paper, however truly, are pointless for the market, which is very critical. Thus, more than 95% of fruitful ICOs and digital currency tasks will come up short and their financial backers will lose cash, or so they thought. The other 5% of ventures will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? On the off chance that we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and passionate local area. It is nonsensical to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance assuming that is the main pivot for the venture. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017. With not a single specific premium and genuine use cases to be seen, aside of a regular utility and foundation tipping in an unobtrusive way. In any case, Dogecoin people group is consistently a decent spot for a decent giggle. It is an image realm of cryptographic money world. For what reason will Dogecoin prevail incredibly? Purposes behind Dogecoin to go up in ascending cost are scant in a significant way. It is as yet one of the most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun sporadically, yet we basically don't see the justification for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is as of now taken up by Bitcoin and other more serious ventures. Dogecoin could hibernate its way into the future as a nostalgic worth